Today I'm working on a BCM from Ford Transit. This unit has a problem. Some of the lights, some of the rear lights are permanently on, and some of them are not working. And the customer said that this board is smelling like a burned ECU, a burned PCB. And let's switch to the microscope. Maybe we can see something. Okay, let's start from here. I'm not gonna measure anything right now. I just want to take a look. I want to see a burn trace or a burn component. Or maybe a discolor component. And on this side of the board, everything looks good for now. This is the MCU. I'm moving fast because I know what I'm looking for. Everything looks good. What's that? This connector. Oh, okay. It's nothing. I'm gonna clean it later. Okay, let's move on. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. This IC is burned. Nice. Nice. On the back of the board, we don't have any components, and everything looks good with the naked eye. What is this? I can see here some pieces of solder, or I don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe some scratches. I think yes. Okay. Okay, so let's measure some components here. Multimeter in continuity mode. I'm gonna measure some components, some capacitors. I want to see if there's a short circuit right now. Or maybe those diodes. No. Okay. As you can see, I think this is the only problem that we have with this board. And this is multi-switch driver, I think, for the lights. MC 33972 D. It's got a W and B, or H, W, yes. Okay. I need to find a replacement IC from donor boards. I have a couple of donor boards exactly like this one, and then I'll come back. Okay, I found an IC. It's looking good. It's identical. Let's go ahead and replace it. I'm gonna use hot air. Let's add some flux. Usually those problems are caused by rear lights shorting out. So in order to maintain this working, the customer will replace the rear lights. And if not, this module will, somebody's calling me. And it's done. I'm gonna assemble the unit and send it to the customer. And if it doesn't work, I'm gonna ask him to bring another good PCB and clone it with the information stored in that CPU. Okay, let's work on something else.